charge our ScatPack. Let's see if he wants to fucking run it. Pushing to catch this guy, so we're gonna run it with it. Let's do a 60! Fuck out of here, slow ass dude. Fucking slow ass guy. Look at that. Where the fuck are you? Gone. Damn, bro, that's crazy. A fucking Scat doesn't want the smoke no more, bro. Doesn't want the fucking smoke, bro. What happened, bro? It went from Ecoboost getting clowned on, fucking, to me clowning on these fools, bro. Why'd you waste that much money? Fucking dumbass, stupid ass. At 6'9", stupid. Why are you so fucking stupid?
Boy, it sounds like you went to Taco Bell and shit in a fucking can.